My daughter really enjoyed the trial. I was worried that as it was online, she would get bored quickly, but actually she was very engaged and enjoyed the interactive games. I also expected her to be shy. She doesn't know any of the other kids, but surprisingly, she was very outgoing and was happily participating. It was a very nice surprise, and she really enjoyed it and actually later mentioned to me if she could have another class. In general, I would say fairly well. We had a slow start until she was 3, as she was much more comfortable speaking Catalan and would respond to me in Catalan even if I spoke to her in English. During the summer, when she turned 4, we went to California for 6 months, and that drastically improved her English. And since then, she responds to me in English and is fluent, although she does make grammar mistakes. She is missing more practice in general with other native speakers, both adults and children, which of course would really improve her vocabulary. And she is definitely not learning how to read or write in English as of yet, as I didn't want to confuse her with English phonetics until she has mastered Catalan. Most of my daughter's learning resources consist of watching all TV, cartoons, and iPad games in English, and we also have many English books that we read to her as well. Actually, many of her books in English were mine as a child. I would say the most difficult area is for me to introduce her to new vocabulary and for her to learn how to read and write in English. That's what I'm most worried about. I am looking to build a community of native English speakers to interact with my daughter, provide her with other sources of exposure to the language, and I really want her to see English as fun and to enjoy learning it. What is most important to me is for her to speak fluently and grammatically correct. I want her to be as close to native as possible. And again, as I mentioned before, the English community would be really special for me for her to have and grow up with.